Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with this week's lecture video. So, the theme of this week's video will be review. So, I believe starting at the beginning is really a good place to start this week's lecture video. So, here I am in the module, the Literacy Narrative Unit 1 module. I explained in my orientation video that the course is organized all around modules. Every essay assignment will have its own module. Here we are once again in Unit 1. Unit 2 is the summary essay. So as you can see here, the module contain all of the information that you need, especially if we're looking at the readings and the videos. Here is last week's lecture video. Click on the textbook. Textbook will open, and if we scroll through the table of contents, right here I do mention that the reading is chapter 2, the literacy narrative, right? Here's all about literacy narratives, how to write a literacy narrative. The essay instructions are right here, right? That the purpose and audience of the particular literacy essay assignment is listed here. Okay, that you are telling your literacy story. This is the purpose of the literacy story. It is not about fear. It is not about cryptocurrency. So I suggest everyone reassess what they wrote for the topics discussion board. It's all here in this particular chapter. All right. The student essay examples and the pages are listed, right? 51 to 59. So let's get to the end of chapter 2. I have a bookmark here, which will take us to the overview of the student examples in the appendix here about how to look at those examples. And we see from 51 to 59, this is a literacy narrative, finding my love of poetry. As we scroll through this example, we will find the second one, literacy narrative, literally literacy, all the way straight through to where it would end on page 59. This is where the literacy narrative example stops. If you would look here, the next essay assignment is the summary essay, and then here are the examples that will begin on page 60. All right, I'm hoping that this is clear to everyone what the focus is of this particular module is the literacy narrative. The assessment I sent out the other day, I uploaded an additional special edition video. So my suggestion to everyone is to please review the chapter, review the literacy narrative. More so than that, look at the special edition videos and how to go about writing the literacy narrative. Okay. So if you have any questions as we prepare, I should say, as we prepare to write only the next discussion board, which is 4, the essay examples, I urge some people who lost some points to go back in topic development and repost their efforts there in topic development. And make sure that your essay example analysis is that of the literacy narrative. Simple, straightforward. As we work through the chapter, let me scroll back up here to chapter 2. That is the focus of our unit, and that is your essay assignment. Word of warning, if you write about any topic other than literacy, if you continue with the topics that some of them were developed in the discussion board 3, you will be unsuccessful. I suggest you take a look in the syllabus at the not yet ready for grading clause in this particular unit, all right, in the syllabus about this particular unit. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thank you.